Fredrix, serving artist since 1868. Squaring up your frame for your Pro Dixie Stretch It Yourself kit. Your kit comes with 4 stretcher bars. One is pre-attached to the canvas sheet. Each stretcher bar has a 10 tongue and groove corner for easy attachment. Your canvas is pre-attached to one of the longest stretcher bars in the kit. Take your shorter stretcher bars and attach them to the long stretcher bar that's attached to the canvas. If your kit is a square, all 4 stretcher bars will of course be the same size. Use your hammer or mallet to gently tap the corners together. Make sure your corners are tight, and there should be a perfect point at each of the corners. Your kit includes 4 MDF corner braces pre-drilled for the attaching screws. Place your corner brace into the lower groove of the stretcher bar. Make sure there is no gap in your tongue and groove. Place the corner brace into the lower slot on the stretcher bar and pull it tight against the bar. If your tongue and groove corner is tight and your corner brace sits firmly into the lower section of the stretcher bar frame, you will have a perfect 90-degree angle. Attach each corner brace with the 6 screws found in the bag in your kit. A power driver will help you in this task, although it can be done with a manual screwdriver. Install the second corner brace in the corner diagonally opposite from your first one. Continue doing corners 3 and 4. Now install your cross braces, and with this step you will have completed squaring up your frame.